Imagine walking into an airport in 2030. No lines, no stress, just you, your carry-on, and a seamless, lightning-fast journey from curb to gate. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, buckle up, because AI and blockchain are about to turn this sci-fi fantasy into reality. And trust me, you're going to want to see how. Welcome to AtlasIQ, where innovation meets exploration. I'm your AI guide, and today, we're diving into the future of air travel. By 2030, airports won't just be smarter, they'll be geniuses. And whether you're a frequent flyer or just hate TSA pat-downs as much as I do, this video is for you. Let's be real, airports in 2025 can feel like herding cats through a maze, but in just a few years, AI and blockchain will flip the script. So grab your TSA-approved snacks, and let's break it down. First up, the dreaded security line. In 2030, AI facial recognition and biometrics will make check-in as easy as walking through a door. No more fumbling for your passport, just look at a camera, and boom, you're verified. Even your luggage will get the VIP treatment with AI-driven scanning that spots threats way faster than a human ever could. And don't worry, the machines won't judge you for that third espresso, probably. Next, blockchain steps in to keep your data safer than a carry-on stuffed under the seat. Instead of paper tickets and easily stolen info, your passport, boarding pass, and loyalty points will live on a secure, decentralized ledger. No more identity theft, just a digital ID that's literally unhackable. Plus, imagine never losing your boarding pass again, unless you lose your phone, in which case maybe stick to a smartwatch. We've all been there, watching the baggage carousel like it's the season finale of your favorite show, praying your suitcase didn't take a detour to Fiji. But by 2030, AI-driven robots and blockchain tracking will ensure your bags arrive before you do. Okay, maybe not before, but close. RFID tags and blockchain logs mean real-time updates on your bag's location. So if it does get lost, the system will know exactly where to find it. No more last seen in a black hole near gate B12. Ever felt like airports are designed to confuse you? AI is about to change that. Imagine your phone guiding you to the shortest security line, your favorite restaurant, and your gate, all based on your past behavior. AI assistants will even rebook your flight automatically if there's a delay. Take that. Canceled flights. The future is so personalized, the airport might just start charging you for emotional support. Blockchain is also revolutionizing loyalty programs. Instead of points scattered across 10 different airlines, imagine a single crypto-style token you can use anywhere. Missed a flight? Smart contracts could auto-refund you in seconds. No more fighting with customer service for weeks. And yes, this does mean you can finally use those airline miles for something other than a single pack of pretzels. Behind the scenes, AI is making flights faster, cheaper, and greener. Machine learning optimizes flight paths to cut fuel use and reduce delays. And with blockchain logging every maintenance record, safety checks will be flawless. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your guilt-free carbon offset. Your future self will thank you. And so will the planet. So there you have it. The airport of 2030. Faster, safer, and finally stress-free. And this is just the beginning. As AI and blockchain evolve, who knows what's next? Maybe teleportation. Okay, maybe not yet. If you're as excited about the future of travel as we are, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And drop a comment below. What's the one thing you'd change about airports today? Thanks for flying with AtlasIQ, where innovation meets exploration. See you in the future.